Okay, so question 4 is asking you to do a ordered back-to-back stem and leaf plot. So I've gone ahead and done that because you don't want to watch me do that for 5 minutes. And what I've done is I've taken the scores at the top and I've had a look through my tens columns, and I can see that I've got people in their teens right through to their 60s. So I've put down my tens here, and then I've ordered my ones for the males on the left and the females on the right. Back-to-back stem and leaf plots are quite useful if you want to compare two sets of data. Okay, so this is how you draw it up. And then to try and find the median of each set of data, what I do is I have a look at how many scores of each there were. So there was 29 females and 29 males. So in each instance, I'm going to be looking for the 15th score, okay, because that's exactly halfway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So for males, it's going to be 34. And then for females, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's going to be the 32nd, 32. So for females, it will be 32. All right. The next one is asking us to draw some general conclusions, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the data, and straight away I can see that the males are generally older than the females. You see, we've got way more males in their 40s than females. So they're in the 30s and 40s, and they even run up to 66, okay? So one conclusion would be that the males generally older. There's more in their 40s. And for the females, you can see that they're mainly in their 30s. So it might not be a bad idea to sort of say females mainly in their 30s. You could also talk about the range here if you really wanted to extend out the marks. You see the males have got a range from 13 through to 66, whereas the females are from 12 through to 44. So the range of ages in males is quite a bit bigger than females as well. It's up to you. All right. John Smith was 34 when he received the award for Best Male Athlete. Was this unusual? Well, looking at this data, no, I don't think that it's unusual. It was actually the median age, and there are several males who are aged 44, okay? So, no, it was the median age. Okay, so you could actually argue that it actually had a central tendency of 34, so it's not surprising at all.